Hey, howdy folks. JJ with Seating Dynamics here with another quick tech tip. Today I'm going to show you installing our pad adapters onto a stealth or 3-hole, 4-hole pad mount or a Whitmeyer half ball joint, half moon ball joint type pad. Now, the stealth pads are pretty easy. 3-hole, 4-hole mounting pattern. We get it stripped down to everything that's not permanently attached to the pad itself. And all you have to do is take our pad adapter, line it up with the existing holes, and run them home. Now, I made this one a little bit easier for myself because I had it pre-installed earlier, but so you may sometimes have to rotate the pad adapter to get the holes to line up correctly. But once you get them lined up and the screws sent home and nice and tight, this is now ready for installation back on our dynamic headrest. The Whitmeyer pads are a little bit more challenging. As you can see, once again, we're stripped down to everything that's not attached to the pad itself. If it's removable, it's gone. Zip that back up really quick. And we take our Whitmeyer pad adapter, the flat face here. Our pad adapter sets on top. The bolt comes from the underside through our pad adapter, and then an M6 nut in this instance gets attached to this bolt. Do the same thing for the other hole. Perfect. Now then, these nuts should be held captive in that channel, and you can come in with your 5mm wrench and tighten it up. Once that's good and tight and these bolts are held captive in place, you can double check, verify that your screws are happy, hunky-dory, ready for installation. Now, our dynamic single axis headrest, you should be down to a flat plate here with your clamp ring mounted up there. That mounts straight to the flat face. You can set it down, and then your 5mm Allen screws go through the clamp ring into the pad adapter, tightened into place. Repeat 2 more times. There you go. That's it. You're done.